The devil dog. They released the devil.
If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have a special treat for me today. All right, well, it could be a treat for you too. I know many of you enjoyed our chocolate cupcake video. We got a lot of comments, a lot of folks who've actually did the recipe, served it to family and friends, or hoarded them all on their own, and came back and said, yes, this is great. But what caught us a little bit by surprise is how many people wrote in, either in comments. You should be commenting below. Definitely thumbs up the video. Kind of helps us get this message out and validates all of this hard work that I'm doing. But anyway, got a lot of notes, both online, over Messenger and emails saying, what the hell is a devil dog? Right? The chocolate cupcake recipe, I took a bite of it and I said, wow, this tastes just like a devil dog. This tastes just like a devil dog. If you remember devil dogs, I gotta tell you, these are good. I was gonna give some to the neighbors. I don't think they're getting any. And I didn't suspect that there would be a lot of questions about the devil dog itself. So, newsflash, we got some devil dogs here. Just a real quick update on these because, you know, apparently they're new to more folks. I thought that everybody kind of knew devil dogs. So I'm going to give you, let's just say, a 30-second history of the devil dogs and their company. So, opened in 1896. 1926, they released the devil dog. They released the devil. Devil's food cake, cream-filled. 1928, Yankee Doodles. 1939, they served in the World's Fair. Shame on you for not knowing that. 1958, created the ring ding. 1961, brought on Funny Bones, right? Chocolate and peanut butter, so good. 1962, Yodels, which is basically a coated rolled version of this guy here. Outstanding. 1964, fruit pies. Everybody loves a good fruit pie, and they brought them out. 1964. 1981, they named our good friend here Webster. So says Drake's Devil Dogs. His name is not Drake. That was the family name. He is Webster, as voted by the fans in 1981. However, they did that back then. That's Webster, and that's the funny bone and the ring ding. You can get those stickers for free. It's part of their back to school campaign. At drakescake.com/sticker. Gave you something for free. And in 2016, they were 120 years old. But basically, no new products or no new stuff since the fruit pie. So I guess they figured they had it all figured out. So now that we know the Drake family heritage, let's open this up. This is the devil dog, which might be a little bit smaller than it has been in the past. These are 180 calories per cake. So you have to be judicious in your consumption. 28 carbs, 17 grams of sugar. But there it is. It's a devil's food cake filled with cream. Still good after all these years. There are 8 cakes in here. $3.99, so you math whiz, they're about 50 cents a piece. Not bad for a snack. And they taste exactly like my cupcakes. You may have to contact them and ask them to cease and desist. But that is your devil dog history. I'm not going to tell you how great this is because I think you already know I'm basically done with this thing already. You see them, buy them, at least one. Been around since 1896. They need our business. Maybe they'll make something new. Definitely comment below. Again, thumbs up. Follow us at Devil Dogs. Can you find them? Or are you looking forward to one of the other products that we spoke about? Because that is your Buzz with your Cuz and your news break.
Wait, don't. I don't think I've ever had a devil dog.
How could you not have had this devil dog?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. It was really good. Kind of get stuck at the top of your mouth because it's so soft. I was more of a ho-ho girl.
It's not part of Drake's.
Oh, it's a different brand. I've never had that before. You want to go eat some food? I've had a funny bone. Oh, ring ding. I've had a ring ding.